A lot of the team have helped make this desk at the made to order area, along with some extra cabinets. This means that when orders come through that are quite specific, I can make sure all the paperwork, all the items are sorted here without getting in the way of the other picking and packing workers. Thanks to the rest of the team for making and getting everything put together for now. I've been adding a few accessories that should help make the job easier and keep things premium when packing these items. Thank you.
So here we have a small parcel box, and this flap at the front needs folding over, and I'm usually just doing it by hand. So just like the big parcel box we do, I've made a little tool. You can just go on there, one fold, then it's completely straight all the way down. No struggle. Thank you.
I've inherited a wire brush thanks to Damon, so now he's got home, nicely hung up and labelled wherever it lives if it goes for a walk. To order ink for the Megamax stamp, I have had a QR code with this slidey cube across. It was hard to reach and it didn't really work very well. Now I have a little Excel box. With Kanban underneath it. It's easier to scan.
So the bin just hangs on a stand like this in pre-packing. It holds it, but it just falls off quite easy. So what I've done is I just fitted one through the bin. So now sticks proper nice on there. Sorted.
I've got my template here for making welding SOPs. As you can see, I've got step 1, step 4, and step 1, step 4 again. These are meant to update, but I want to make it so I have to do less updating, less copying. So I'm actually going to make 3 of these side by side and have step numbers 1 to 24 and make sure the formatting is correct to a page. So I've updated the size of these as well, because the big issue I'm having is having to resize the tabs later on. So I've got them there, so number 1 to 8 and then so on and so forth. Tactile on the first top template, so I've matched that across these. And overall, I've just done a bit of resizing on some of the text fields. It's going to save me a lot of time when doing the new ones. So previously on any goods that were palleted, we used to put OS here in the little production journey, so that's an outside area. Now it's a little bit vague because some things are boxed, some things are palleted, so we've changed it over here. But now specifying which ones are palleted and which ones are boxing. So it'll look at the same area really, but we'll know how to handle the product when it gets there. So at the moment, when I'm pasting pictures into these welding SOPs, I've got to come over here, I've got to paste it in, and then I've got to manually resize it, bring it up to here, not quite right, I've got to carry on resizing it, and then eventually get it centre. That's taken a long while, so I'm going to improve that. A quicker way of doing it I found is if I go on this setting here on Illustrator, it'll actually draw inside. So if I do that, all I've got to do is place it back in place, fill the sizing up here, I've got a little screen left button to give me the exact size, and I've reduced that from around 10 or 11 seconds to just under 5.
So on our bracket area, when we're picking the brackets, obviously we've got the locations that are numbered down here, but when you're at the actual bracket station and you're looking over, you don't know which aisle is associated with which number, so we're going to get that next. Okay, so me and Oliver have put arrows with the location numbers, what they're from and to, and we've done that at each end of the aisles. So now this will make it much clearer when you're picking to be able to know what aisle you need to go down.
It's a great job everyone, thank you very much.